How to fix Helldivers 2 crashing. And today in this detailed instructional video, I'll provide you with a comprehensive walkthrough to troubleshoot and fix crashing problems in Helldivers 2. If you've been facing challenges launching the game on your PC, especially since its initial release, don't worry, I have gathered a variety of solutions that might help address your issues. Personally, I encounter difficulties with my both AMD GPU and CPU as a common problem among many users. After trying out to find the solutions, I was able to pinpoint some effective troubleshooting steps. To start, you have to navigate to the Helldivers folders on the Steam, right-click on the game, select Manage, and then choose Browse Local Files. Once you're in the game's installation directory, locate the Bean folder and select the GameGuard folder. This is a really crucial step as a GameGuard folder is a anti-cheat software used by the game sometimes struggles to acquire all the necessary installation files. By removing this folder, you will be triggered as a fresh installation the next time you launch the game. Next thing you can do is locate the Helldivers exe file, right-click on it and go to its properties, then compatibility, and ensure that you run the program as an administrator. After completing this action within the game installation, you have to open a web browser and download the Visual C++ redistributable for Visual Studio 2012 Update 4. While it may seem unnecessary for PC gamers to install this, it surprisingly helped me troubleshoot my launch issues. Simply prepare the installation and you should be good to go. Although I didn't encounter any specific visual errors, repairing this component resolved my problem. Whether this step's done, try launching the game through Steam. If you face further issues, there are two additional measures you can take. Firstly, right-click on the game, select Properties, and then go to the Local Files tab and verify the integrity of the game files. This action will identify and fix any corrupted or missing files. Lastly, consider launching the game directly from the executable file instead of through the Steam. While this step may not be necessary, I found it beneficial in some cases, especially in bypassing issues related to anti-cheat software, and however you can still use the Steam launcher if you prefer. Following the steps resolved the crashing problems for me, and I hope that they are equally helpful to you. If you found this video informative, please consider liking and subscribing for more straightforward tips and solutions. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.